Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV model number TC-75GX880 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you can do this one of two ways, either via the setup menu or via the physical buttons. I'll go over both of those in a second, but there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this TV not responding, the screen won't come on, it won't pair with your device, it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason is just for whatever reason you want to set this up like a new TV, just have everything wiped off of it, this will do that. Now, if you've got access to the screen and the menu and everything, it's real simple. You just hit menu on the remote, and then from the menu that opens up on the screen, you just select setup, then system, then factory default, hitting OK each time you do that. Setup, OK, system, OK, factory default, OK. Then you'll just need to confirm it by selecting the yes, hitting OK, and it will reset. Now, if you need to do it via the physical buttons, you'll need your remote and the TV. And the TV needs to be able to turn on. You don't need the screen, but you do need to be able to, it does need to be on, and you're going to press and hold the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote, which is just below the power button on the left side. Press and hold both of those buttons, volume down on TV, menu button on remote, for at least 5 seconds. After those minimum 5 seconds have passed, you can just go ahead and unplug the TV. Then you're going to release those buttons, wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in, and it will start back up into its factory default mode.